Hello everyone. Today, as you can see, we're going to have a seafood ball on this Valentine's Day. This is a special day for us. Me and my daughters, we're going to do a Valentine's Day ball. Okay, and we also going to do a mukbang. Okay, we're first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to show y'all some of the foods that we have here. As y'all can see right here, we have some king crab that we bought at where?
Kroger's.
At Kroger's for $19.20. And right here, we got some snow crabs clusters. These two bags here together are 2 pounds.
Yes.
2 pound. One costs $8.68, and the other one costs $14.07. Okay, and these drinks, we got us some drinks. We got some sparkling apple grape and some strawberry Zachary. I think this how much this cost?
I believe that one is about $3.99
at HEB.
Okay, $3.99 at HEB.
and that one is $2.40, $2.48 or $2.49, something at HEB.
Okay,
The
okay,
Welch's.
the Welch's. Okay. What about the?
Then we got our favorite sausage, Party Times, Zumo. They really good. Those were some really good sausages. And those were $7.99 at Kroger's.
Okay.
Then these are mostly that we also picked up at Kroger's. And it was $3.99.
Okay.
Then we got our potatoes, which were $2.99. Our corn, which was $2.99. And then we have some shrimp. We got this from Sam's.
Okay. Y'all see how big those shrimps are? Wow, y'all. Those are some huge shrimp, and they're already peeled and deveined, right?
Mm-hmm.
Already cleaned and everything. Okay, and what about these? Did we get those?
Mm-hmm. And then we got the Louisiana crawfish shrimp and crab boil. This was $1.06. They had it on sale.
Okay.
And then we also have the bag.
They had that on sale too.
Yes, and it was $4.99.
Okay. Okay. Well, y'all, I think we done showed y'all everything that we're gonna cook. Okay. If anything else, we always show it to you. Okay, we're getting ready to season our water. Okay, for our seafood boil. Okay, and my daughters, they gonna be helping me time to time. Y'all gonna hear them also telling what they're doing. Okay, it's not gonna always be me. They gonna help me also. Okay. Okay, this is you're gonna hear LaDania's and LaTanya voice. These are my twins. Y'all gonna hear their voices when y'all don't hear mine. Okay.
Okay, first we're gonna add in our pack of crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil.
And we measured out a half of a cup of the seasoning. We like ours kind of spicy,
Mm-hmm.
so we're gonna add about a half a cup.
Y'all, it's already smelling good in here.
And then we cut up 2 lemons. And these are some lemons my mom, she picked them up at Walmart. They kind of taste like they kind of is a cross between an orange and a lemon. They don't taste like the usual lemons. So we're squeezing 2 lemons in there. If we add more, we'll let you know. And then after she squeezes a lemon, we cut up 1 onion, and we're gonna toss that in there with it.
Normally I put garlic in there, like a few cloves of garlic. I haven't got the garlic together, but we might end up doing that off camera. We're gonna let this boil for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then that's when we're gonna start adding in our potatoes and our corn.
Back.
Now, we actually let this boil for almost 20 minutes because we had some other stuff we were doing too. So now we're gonna add in our vegetables, our corn and our potatoes. Remember to rinse off your potatoes before putting it in here.
Y'all, these potatoes, they are so good.
Okay, I'm about done adding them. And then I'm going to give them a quick stir to make sure they're even all over the bottom. And I'm thinking about maybe adding a little bit more of the crawfish boil seasoning. If I do, I will surely let you know. But I did add garlic powder because I didn't have any garlic cloves, but I did add garlic powder. But we're going to let these boil for maybe 15-20 minutes to where they're done, because after we get done with the corn and potatoes, we're going to take those out the pot, and then we're going to start adding our different seafoods. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we just removed the potatoes and corn. We let those cook until they were done. Now we're about to add the snow crab and the king crab, and we're gonna cook those about 8 or 9 minutes until they get done, and then we're gonna kind of let them soak up in there a little bit. And then we did add more of the crawfish shrimp and ball seasoning. I think we're gonna have to add some more water. Okay, we're gonna add some more water to this, and so we can cover all this stuff up, and we'll be right back. Okay, we removed the corn and the potatoes. We let them cook until they were done. Well, almost just about completely done. So we just didn't put the king crab in. We're gonna add the snow crab, and we're gonna let them cook. The king crab I know has to cook for at least about 8 minutes, and the snow crab about 6. So we're gonna start those off in there, and then we're gonna add the snow crab, and we'll be right back. Then we'll be adding the sausage and the shrimp at the very last minute. I mean, sausage, shrimp, and we also have mussels, and that we'll be adding in right at the end. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, as you can see, our crab has come back to a ball. So we're gonna cut the heat off, and we're gonna add the rest of the stuff, because the hot water will cook everything else. And we're gonna put a lid on it and keep all the heat in. And so right now she's adding the sausage, which is the party time sausage, and she's adding mussels, and we're gonna be also adding shrimp. Okay, and get all good and soaked. We'll be right back, and we're gonna have a Valentine's mukbang with me, my sisters, and MsBrenda Dee is gonna be on the side. So until then, we'll be right back.